Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer BNB from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between exchanges can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, what is BNB? It's the native cryptocurrency of the Binance ecosystem, and transferring it between platforms like Uphold and Gemini is a common way to manage your portfolio. Before we dive in, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Gemini, and that you have some BNB in your Uphold wallet. Also, note that exchange policies might change, so verify the latest fees and requirements on their sites. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your BNB balance. Click on it to access your wallet options. Here, you'll want to select the Withdraw or Send feature. Look for something that allows you to transfer crypto out. Step 2. On the Gemini side, log into your account and go to your wallet section. Find your BNB wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it carefully, as any mistake could send your BNB to the wrong place. Gemini might give you a QR code or a string of characters. Just make sure it's for BNB specifically. Now, back to Uphold. Paste the Gemini wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, but don't forget to check for any network fees. BNB typically uses the BNB Smart Chain, so select that as the network to avoid complications. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to Gemini and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support teams to help out. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB from Uphold to Gemini. This is a great skill for managing your crypto investments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have other transfer questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.